Welcome back to Gadget Guru India, and today I am going to show you one very important gadget without which you cannot even move out of the house these days. Yes, I'm talking about a face mask. So I got this face mask recently, and this is a Wildcraft face mask. And what's so great about this face mask? This has got a 6-layer triple particle filtration system, and in layman's words, this is quite effective, and it is made by Wildcraft, so I am pretty sure you would know that yes, it is good quality. And as far as the price is concerned, I got this for around $600, 3 masks for 600 bucks. But I guess it is available on a discount right now, so I'll be providing a link in the description below where you can get it for less than 500 bucks. I think it is 400 something or around 500 roughly, 3 masks, which I think is a great deal, and you should definitely go ahead and buy it. So apart from this 6-layer triple particle filtration system, it is super breathable, very comfortable to wear, and it also comes with a nose clip, so it doesn't slip. So if I wear this, so this is the correct way to wear a face mask. So you need to never hold the face mask from the center or never touch this white portion. So just wear it like this. Okay, so this is the correct way, and this is the nose clip. So it's very comfortable to wear. It is super breathable, it is splash resistant. So these are all the features of this face mask, and I really liked it, so I thought of making a video. And I never thought that I would be actually making a video on a face mask, but I liked it so much, so I thought I should definitely make a video on this. Okay, so apart from this face mask, I also thought of including 2 more products on my video today, and these are also corona related. So one is this Savlon surface disinfectant spray, which I got for disinfecting all my courier products which come in. So any courier or any packet which comes, I use this Savlon disinfectant spray. And this I use it on my skin. So this is not to be used on the skin. This can be used on the skin. So this is a Lifebuoy germ kill spray. So this can be used on the skin, and this cannot be used on the skin, right? So I'll be also providing the link in the description below for all 3. And I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe to this channel. A lot of effort goes into make all these videos for you, and I definitely try to make videos which are jugadu in nature, which are Indian, and definitely useful for you. So please like and subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.